So I recently had my hair transplant with Estenove, and I want to walk you through exactly what that journey looked like. I've been thinking about a hair transplant for a while, but I didn't know where to start. After a lot of research, one name kept coming up: Estenove. I'll admit, I was nervous about traveling to another country for a medical procedure, but one conversation with their team was enough to put my mind at ease. It started with an online consultation. A medical consultant reviewed my hair loss pattern, talked through what I wanted, and told me I was a strong candidate for great results. Once I got the green light, I booked my flight to Istanbul. When I landed, the Estenove team was already waiting for me, and a private car took me straight to my hotel. That small touch set the tone, and I knew right away I'd made the right call. After a comfortable night at a 5-star hotel, they picked me up the next day and brought me to the clinic. I met one of the doctors in person who mapped out my new hairline and walked me through what to expect. By that point, I was genuinely excited. The procedure itself was easier than I imagined. I was numbed up quickly, there was no real pain, and honestly, I just relaxed and lost track of the time. Once it was done, they brought me back to the hotel, where I slept better than I expected to. The next morning came my first wash. The team also gave me a full aftercare kit and clear instructions for taking care of my grafts as I healed. Then it was time to head home. I left Istanbul with more than just new hair. I left with confidence and a story I'll be telling for years. Thank you, Estenove.